You like need a manicure already.
Well, it's been 2 weeks since so you're right, I need a manicure.
Bless you. Say hi, Dada.